Welcome back to my channel. It's JusMeLah, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I took my hair from this to this. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm determining how long I want my hair to be. I know I want it to be a bob, but I'm not sure how long. I'm using the Janet Collection hair in Afro Kinky Bulk. I'm using the leftover hair from when I initially installed these faux locks. I'm now going to insert my latch hook right above where I want the new length of my lock to be. Next, I'm going to cut off the straight ends. I didn't in my initial install, and I recommend you do cut them because they become a nag when they start to poke out all over your lock. Once I attach the hair to my latch hook and pull the strands through, I'm going to shift the strands so one is longer than the other. The shorter strand will form the end of the lock, and the longer will be used to wrap the lock. I'm now going to insert the latch hook and pull the shorter strand through to help create the loop that will form the end of the lock.
Yondo.
I'm then going to begin wrapping the lock, being sure to mold the lock into my desired shape. Essentially, I'm trying to create a smooth transition between the blunt cut and the thinner new end. So as I'm wrapping, I'm pushing and squeezing that lock together, and I continue to do that until I begin wrapping back up the lock, where I will then close it off. To close the lock, I'm creating a loop using my index and thumb. I then push the strand through the loop, pull it through and tighten it. And I do that about 3 or 4 times until I can't loop anymore. I vigorously rub the lock between my palms to melt the hair together.
Yondo.
I repeat this exact process throughout the rest of my head. Be sure to loop those ends to get that finished look.
Yondo.
I'm halfway done and pleased with the results so far. When starting the second half, measure the long lock against the shorter lock to be sure an even length is maintained all over. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Yondo.